Hi there and welcome back to Birdseed. In this video, we're going to dive into the panel settings and talk to you about how to style your panel. So right now I'm in my Birdseed dashboard. I have my panel settings open here and I'm in the style your panel section on the left. So this is where you can customize and change the style and look of your Birdseed panel. So first of all, we have visibility. This is the ability to control whether the panel appears on the website, and you can have it appear only on desktop, only on mobile. You can hide it for the time being, or you can just have it show up everywhere. And we love Birdseed. We want it to be everywhere on every site. So really, we think everywhere is the best tool because the mobile functionality is really cool. And you can see we can have it either load immediately or load after scrolling a little bit. So it won't show up right away. You can scroll, then it pops up, or have it show immediately. We like ours to show instantly so people can interact with us as soon as they jump on the site. You can choose if it shows up on the left or right side of your page. You can set the maximum height in percentage, so it can be 100% height, and the height is controlled by the actual amount of tools inside. So if you have a bunch of tools and it's really tall, maybe you want to put this at like 60 to 75% so people can scroll through your panel. It's really up to you to control how high you want this. Experiment with it, find what you like. Then widget bottom or button bottom position, so you can set the bottom button position for the actual widget. You can control that in pixels of how you want that to position. Below that, we have some color. So we will use this blue color here. You can put your own color in there. For your branding, you can have it a flat color, or if you want to apply a gradient, you can. What this does is it will apply a darker horizontal shade to your primary color. So you can kind of see it's a little bit hard to spot sometimes, but here's our color, and it actually gradients down to a darker blue right there. Just add a little bit of dimension to the panel. I like how it looks. You can do that yourself. You can choose your link color, so what color you want the links to show up. Your text color, so like right here we have welcome, we are Birdseed, that's white. And then your more indicator color, just for more information, stuff like that you can put in there as well. Below that, we have your panel logo. So if you want to slap your own logo in there, feel free to do that. I know a lot of businesses like to put their logo and brand their Birdseed panel. So if you want to do that, you can do that there. And below that, we have your button. So this is the actual Birdseed button that shows up for the panel. If I were to X out of this, you'll see this little icon right there. That is what we are currently using for that Birdseed logo. It's actually up there. That's what it looks like. So we're using the half of the Birdseed logo, and you'll see we actually have some text, which we'll dive into that in a second as well. So right now we're using these, but you can have all these different logos. You can upload your own icon if you want, but make sure that the icon you use does draw the attention of the user, because these are designed to draw the attention, have the color, be stylized. But if you want to use a different icon, of course, you can create that and upload that here. And also you can choose to use a custom text button. So that's what this is. On the Birdseed site, it says, hey, this is Birdseed, with a little emoji there. And you can type in your own little message if you want to, and you can have it bold. And if you want to hide it on mobile, you can. If you want to just show the button on mobile, because maybe it takes a little bit too much space, you can do that. But you can put a little message in there that says, hey, click this little thing, or whatever you really want. And what this will do is it will show after someone engages and they scroll through your site, it'll actually have a little text that says, hey, this is Birdseed, or whatever you want. Intro and animation, so give your button a custom animation so you can actually see you can have it bounce, pulsate, or have a heartbeat, and you can see how long it'll take between the actual animation. So that's just to draw attention to the actual button at the bottom of your screen to get people to click on it. Intro text, it says, hey, welcome, we are Birdseed with the hand. That's what this is right here. And then below that it says choose from our quick ways to connect. That is right here as well, and you can customize those fully to say what you want. Below that, we have custom text to be able to trigger your engagement panel. So on your website, if you have a button that allows you to link to some custom text or some code, you can actually copy this and have it open the panel from a button or a link. You can do that. And then below that, we have where you're located. So we are in the United States. Just make sure that this is updated for wherever you are to enable that. And then make sure you save your changes when you are done. So that is all for this video for the panel settings. Keep looking through the videos to see how the rest of the settings and how they function, and we'll see you in the next video.